Hi everyone, you are on the Fabrico.Design channel where we inspire your next sewing adventure. My name is Mark, I am a stylist at Fabrico.Design. Today, let's talk about a wardrobe essential that never goes out of style, the basic white shirt. Whether you're sewing your own or shopping for one, this piece is a must-have. Why does every woman need a basic white shirt? Well, it's the ultimate chameleon in your wardrobe. Dress it up for a formal look or dress it down for casual outings. It's endlessly versatile. Not to mention, it suits every body type, age, and personal style. Don't believe us? Just look at the style icons who swear by it. Audrey Hepburn, Princess Diana, and more recently, Meghan Markle and Victoria Beckham all embrace the timeless appeal of a white shirt. Now, how can you incorporate it into your wardrobe? The possibilities are endless. Pair it with high-waisted jeans for a chic, everyday look. Tuck it into a pencil skirt for a professional vibe. Layer it under a sweater or blazer for a polished, autumn-ready outfit. Or knot it at the waist and wear it with wide leg pants for a breezy, casual style. Accessories can also take your look to the next level. Add a statement necklace, a bold belt, or a corset top to make your shirt stand out. Find these accessories that you can make yourself and use them in your images on our site. You'll find a stylish choker, accent belts, and plenty of corset tops to flatter your figure. Link to our website below the video. While white is a classic, this season is all about experimenting with colors and patterns. Soft pastels, earthy tones, and subtle stripes are trending right now. And if you're feeling bold, go for a vibrant floral or geometric print. The best part? You don't have to search endlessly for the perfect fit. You can make your own. Check out our basic women's shirt sewing pattern, perfect for beginners and customizable to your style and size. Manhattan shirt, a mid-thigh length shirt with a collar on a stand. This is a shirt that will become your best choice for everyday wear. Clean and simple design is suitable for both the office and fashionable parties. Talon shirt. This garment pairs perfectly with both classic trousers and jeans, making it a favorite for its versatility. The V neckline with a shirt collar looks particularly flattering on this model. Caramel shirt, a straight silhouette shirt with a central button and buttonhole closure, featuring a mandarin collar and a dropped shoulder line. Flattering and a comfy shirt is a must in your wardrobe. Also, on our website, you will find a stylish obsidian blouse, a pattern for a fitted blouse silhouette. It features a central button and loop fastening with a notched collar and stand, perfect for both work and casual outings with friends. Pair it with your favorite pants or skirt. So, whether you're crafting your own or refreshing your wardrobe, the basic shirt is a timeless staple you'll love. Ready to start your sewing journey? Click the link in the description to grab your pattern and get sewing. Subscribe for more sewing inspiration, like and comment your favorite way to style a shirt.